Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can create a 3D text on Photoshop but in a mobile version. So in a mobile version, the Photoshop will be create with this application PS Express. So you just need to get this on App Store. Type into this PS Express or Adobe Photoshop Express, and the next you just need to find the project or the photo that you want to add the text here. And here I'll let you find my projects one, and then you just need to wait. I think I'll let you get the project that I already have. Let me find it. Say here. Okay, and I'll let you add the black and white filter first, and let's just add the gold text. You just need to take a look on this button feature and swipe it into the left side until you got text. And for the next, just go tap text. Now we need to go add the text that you want to add on your picture. I will let to type gold just to make it simple, and then just go tap done. Now we need to adjusting the color here. So for the color, first we need to make this color just because we need to use it as the shadow later on. Perfect. And I'll let you do for the next, you just need to go tap randomly and then just go tap into the text bag and then just type the exactly the same text here. Okay, and the next you just need to go click the gold color or similar with that. Okay, and then you just need to adjusting it to be on the top side of the first text that we just created before, just to make this type of look so that they could be create you a 3D text look. Perfect. And now you're done. You already got this 3D text on your picture. That's super simple and easy. Hopefully you easily understand. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.